Hey campers, we are so excited to meet you this summer at Drake University for Media Now 2023, July 10th through the 13th. So right now, in these final few weeks of school, I know you've got finals, you've got final papers, you got all the final projects going on. We also want to add one more thing. Check in with your advisor on what to bring for camp. All the equipment that you need. Maybe you need to check out like a tripod or a camera or some batteries. Make sure that's all on your list. If you want access to maybe even some files that you want to use for design class, any of that good stuff, we want to make sure that you talk to your advisors in these last few weeks of school before summer lets out. Okay, so check out the link here. You can go there on what to bring for camp. It also includes all the stuff for the dorm. So check that out as well. All right, so if you're not sure what class you're in, you do have that confirmation email. That should list your first choice class is what you are in for right now. After this week, we're gonna have a little more trouble getting those people into those first choice classes, but you guys are in if you are in as of this date. All right, we are excited to see you guys. Have a great rest of your school year and be checking your email for updates coming from us very, very soon.